My name is Robbie Hilder, Director of Training with Synoptix Software. Today, we're going to be reviewing one of the most powerful features of Synoptix, which is the accounting cell. The accounting cell allows us to do a lot of different things, mainly tell the software what are the account or accounts we would like to see balances for. In this review, we'll use expenses as our example. Let's start by adding an accounting cell to the report. The 555 is simply a placeholder for an accounting cell and is not an actual balance. We won't see the actual balance until we go to run the report. We can format an accounting cell just like any other cell. Once we've applied any formatting we'd like to see, the properties for the accounting cell will be on the right-hand side. The main thing we'll focus on today is how to tell Synoptix what account or accounts we'd like to see balances for, in this case, expense accounts. By clicking here, we'll get the GL definition screen, which will allow us to tell the software exactly that. Whenever you see question marks within Synoptix, it is functioning as a wildcard, which can be any number, 0 through 9, or any letter A through Z, as well as other characters. In this case, we're going to use the lookup function to show the different ways we can look up accounts within Synoptix. The default is to view by accounts, which will list our entire chart of accounts. We can also view by account type, or we can make custom lookups. In this case, we're going to simply view by account type and choose our expense accounts. We'll then validate just to make sure that that is the correct list. And then we'll go ahead and apply that. Now that we've told Synoptix the accounts we want to see, in this case the expense accounts, we'll define a few more properties such as the source of calculation, whether that is actual or budget, the corresponding ledger or budget ID, and the time period that we'd like to see. We'll be covering all of these topics in more details in future videos. Once we've defined all of our properties, we'll save and then run our report. The report will then run accordingly, and we'll get the corresponding balances. This has been a review of the accounting cell. Please join us for future videos.